A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern.
Fatty bum bum, bibi bum bum, dish your bum bum, keep body leg bum bum. Fatty bum bum, bibi bum bum, dish your bum bum, keep body leg bum bum.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my jean collection. So if you want to see the jeans that I have in my collection, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned after this video and go check out those other ones. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this jean collection. So the first pair of jeans that I'm going to be showing you guys are these ones, and I got these from Banana Republic. These are in the size 2. And yeah, they're just basically these black, I guess these are more like jeggings. Most of the jeans that I have are jeggings just because I prefer that style on me. And yeah, they're basically these are high-waisted, which I prefer that style again. Like most of the ones I'm going to be showing you guys are high-waisted just because that's what I like. And I'll be putting like on the screen what it looks like on me so you guys can see. But I'm sure you guys have seen these ones because I wear them all the time. And yeah, basically they have 2 pockets at the front and they also have 2 pockets at the back. I feel like black jeans are like important in anybody's like wardrobe, and they go all the way down to your ankles. So yeah, they're just basically plain basic black jeans, but I feel like these are definitely essential in like anybody's wardrobe. So if you don't have a pair of black jeans, go get some. I promise you, like, you'll see how they just put outfits together and it just makes it easier, you know. So yeah, I love these. I wear them a lot, and these are very, I want to say they're very like sturdy. They're very durable because I had the Fashion Nova ones before, and those, they just tore up and stuff. So these I like better because the material is better. But yeah, these are my first pair of jeans. So my second pair of jeans are these high-waisted jeggings from Fashion Nova, and yeah, they're basically these white jeggings. There's no pockets at the front, but there's 2 pockets at the back. And these I don't wear so often because I got these in the size, I want to say size 3. Yeah, size 3. And I had got like the black ones in the size 3 too. The black ones fit me amazingly. These ones, I don't know, like it just, they're kind of loose in the front, which is weird because the black ones never did that to me. So you guys will see when I put it up on the screen. So yeah, basically I kind of stopped wearing these as much, but I used to like them a lot because they just, you know, like sometimes white pants with like outfits, they're just good, you know, like to wear. So yeah, I really used to like this, and I like the material because it's pretty stretchy. So yeah, and I've tried putting it in the dryer. Even though I put it in the dryer, like it shrinks for a few hours and then it just gets back baggy. So I don't wear these as much anymore, unfortunately. I'm gonna get a new pair. If you have any suggestions, definitely leave them in the comment section down below, because yeah, I'm definitely looking for a new pair of white jeans or jeggings, and these also go all the way down, so I like them as well. Okay, so the next 2 pairs are actually from Garage Clothing. So these are in the size 3, and they're these like blue light wash jeans or jeggings, and I really like them. Like they have 2 pockets in the front, they have 2 pockets in the back, and I just like I don't know, I like the fit. These aren't high-waisted, I believe. Oh, it says high-waisted, but it doesn't come up high-waisted. Like it would come up, like right now I'm wearing my pants high-waisted, but they come up like right underneath my belly button. So they're not really high-waisted, they're like a low-rise high waist. So yeah, basically I like these 2. I like the color. Like the color is mostly why I got it, just because I feel like it's a really nice color. And yeah, I really like these. So definitely Garage, I think they have really good and durable jeans, because I have a few from Garage and all of them, they've lasted me for a really long time. So if you want like good jeans, definitely Garage Clothing is another good place to get some. So the next ones are these high-waisted beige jeans and or jeggings, and these are in the size 3 as well, and these also fit me really nice. I mostly got these because of school. Like, I don't wear them that much anymore, but I used to wear them a lot because of school. And yeah, they're basically kind of like the blue ones. So they have the 2 pockets in the front. With this one actually has a small pocket also in the front pocket, but they have 2 pockets in the front and 2 in the back. And these are really comfortable, really stretchy, and like I said, they're really durable, like in very good condition, and they go all the way down to my ankles. So yeah, I like these too. I just don't wear them as much anymore, but this is definitely like another good addition to anybody's closet, and it's a good color. It's a good neutral color. So if you're into this color and you're looking for good jeans, definitely Garage Clothing has some for you in this color. Okay, so my last pair of jeans are actually these white high-waisted shorts, and I believe I got these from Zaful. Like, I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure I got them from Zaful because I got them when I was going to like a really hot place, so I really needed like shorts because I didn't have like good shorts, you know. I had some, but I feel like the ones that I had were too childish, you know. Like, I feel like, you know, they had like the flowery designs and stuff like that, so I was like, I feel like I definitely outgrew them. But these I really like because it has like the ruching in the front, like the distressed look, and it also has the ruching at the bottom all the way like around, and it has 2 pockets in the front, 2 pockets in the back, and it also has the ruching on the pockets at the back, and then like I said, on the bottom. And these, I feel like they fit so well. Like, they're a bit tight on me. I forgot what size I got them in small, so I feel like when I eat too much they can be a bit tight, you know, because they're high-waisted, but I still really like them. Yeah, I feel like maybe I could have tried a medium, but I feel like sometimes my problem is that like I know that a medium would definitely fit like, you know, my butt and like my legs, but it's the waist that's the problem. Like, if it's loose, then, you know, it doesn't really work well. But yeah, I really like these two. I feel like they're really good, especially for the summer. I thought it was important for me to show you guys a pair of shorts. I don't really have that many jeans anymore because a lot of them don't fit me, but this is basically the last one that I have to show you guys for today. So guys, this is the end of the video. These are all the jeans that I have to show you guys. Comment down below if there's one in particular that you like, or if, you know, you think I should add a few to my collection and where I could find them. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Join the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She be mine on level. She be